aviation starting when he was a very young man. Mike's dad took him to his first air show, their hometown in Iowa, at the age of 10. That show made an everlasting impression so deep that at 14, Mike rode his bike to the airport for a couple of weeks straight, begging the owner for a job washing airplanes. Mike had a teacher tell him that he'd never be a pilot. His grades weren't great, he was getting into trouble a lot, but later that year, a tutor gave him a book called The Little Engine That Could. It changed his attitude. It helped Mike believe in himself. He traded his work for washing airplanes to flying lessons and had his pilot's license by his 17th birthday. 38 years later, Mike has accumulated more than 24,000 flight hours, has qualified in more than 40 aircraft. He keeps a very busy schedule flying for corporate America, as well as keeping a full-time air show schedule flying the Lucas Oil stunt plane. Says their products, as well as their integrity, make what he's doing even more rewarding. But it's incredible to be part of the Lucas Oil team. And it wasn't easy getting where he is today. Mike would attest he fought battles every day. Things didn't always turn out the way he planned, but each year he believes that one of the biggest impacts in his life and the lives around him was his attitude. Whatever he's experienced as a pilot, businessman, husband, and father, Mike still admits to making mistakes every day, but he doesn't want to miss the opportunity to pass on the same gift of encouragement given to him by his parents, grandparents, and that second-grade tutor. All believe in him and the dreams he still chases. That's why Mike started the I Can program in conjunction with his air show. U.S. National Aerobatic Champion, member of the 2004 U.S. Aerobatic team. He's traveled the world with the same aircraft you see him performing in today. His excitement for aviation and willingness to share his experience with people around the country, nothing short of contagious. In his attempt to encourage kids of all ages to not only dream, but to live their dreams and never give up. You can lead big adventures. Say it again with two words. I can. Right now and talk to Mike while he works. Believe it or not, this man can multitask. He flies, he talks at the same time. Mike is right down here on the ground. How do you read me, buddy? Here we go. As you can see, ladies and gentlemen, down in front of us here, the ground crew putting a ribbon up. And Mike, what do you plan to? My God, you're tumbling into the ramp. Did you actually just do a forward somersault? Just did. Woo! Forward somersault. Here we go. Come on. Mike's taking a good look at that ribbon right now. That's not very high off the ground, my friend. What do you plan to do with that? Well, I'm going to go down and take a really good close look at it here in a second. take a closer look and make sure you're lined up, buddy.
Yeah, we're taking a good look at this thing. Everybody is right.
You got it.
All right, let's have some fun. Push this thing over, go up a little speed. You can't see things unless you're going fast.